Alright, asynchronous people, I wanted to do a quick test review with you guys. Hope you all are doing well. So, number one, given that a line passes through 0, 6 and have a slope of 1/2, write its equation. So, in the previous lessons, you'll remember it was y equals mx plus b. Alright, and this is the slope and this is the y-intercept. So it tells you that the slope is 1/2. So that tells you it's y equals 1/2 x. So now we got to figure out b, the y-intercept. So it says 0, 6 is what it passes through. So when you ask yourself what the heck is y or 0, 6? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, it's kind of hard to do this on paint, but we'll go with it. All right, so there's your dot on 0, 6. So is this on the y-intercept? The answer is yes, because this is the y-intercept, y-axis right here. So, and it crosses it at 0, 6. So that tells you your y-intercept is 6. So therefore, your equation is y equals 1/2 x plus 6. And, well, you ask yourself, do you see that on there? Yes, it's right there. So, that's a fairly easy one. For number 2, find the equation that has a slope of -3/4 and a y-intercept of 1. Well, what's the one thing that you notice with the answer choices? They're not solved for y. So you'll treat it basically like solving for x like we learned in the 8th grade, or 8th grade math. So the only thing is that we have to solve each answer choice, which I know it's a pain, but you'll be happy if when you get the right answer. So here's F. Trying to figure out if it equals this. So draw your line at the equal sign. So you ask yourself, what is on the same side as the y? Well, the 4 is attached to the 4y, so we can't do anything with that yet. So the 3x. And in order to flip it to the other side, we have to do the complete opposite. So -3, that cancels out, so we can put it over here. -3x. So now we have 4y equals 4 minus 3, or the minus 3 over 4x. Oops, I got ahead of myself. Minus 3x. Okay, so now what is with the y? The 4. So anytime the 4 is attached, or not just a 4, but a number is attached to the y like this, this basically means multiply. Because if you ask yourself, like, what is this answer? This basically means 4 times 5, which is 20. So that's all the y is saying. Is basically, it's representing a number, an unknown number. So the opposite of multiplication is divide. So we have to divide each of these by 4. So what's 4 divided by 4? It's 1. And 4 divided by 3, well, it should be -3 over 4. You can just turn it into a fraction. So y equals 1 minus 3 over 4 x. Now, luckily, this is our answer because it's the first one we did. Luckily. So, remember, slope is the mx. All they did was just swap it. So, oops. The -3/4 is the slope, and your y-intercept is 1. It was just swapping how we wrote it. Alright, let's see what else we can do. Okay, 3. This is a good one to do. Length and width of a rectangle. Alright. You have 2x plus 3 and x minus 1. represent the length and the width. But what's the one thing about a rectangle? Well, oops. This side equals this side. So this side is also 2x plus 3. So this side is x minus 1. All right? And it's asking for the perimeter of the rectangle. So what do? We just add them all together. All right, so I'm going to do the sides. I'm going to do 2x plus 3 plus 2x plus 3. All right, so adding them. 2x plus 2x, they're like terms because they both have x's, are going to be 4x. 3 plus 3 is 6. So we have 4x plus 6 after doing these two sides. But we're not done yet. Now we have to do the 4x plus 6 to the x minus 1 and x minus 1. Uh-oh. All right, so 4x plus x is 6x. Uh-oh. Getting a little bit off the screen. It's 6x. I'm just writing over here because I ran out of room. So we can move over to what's the like terms. It's 6 minus 1, which would be positive 4. Because it's basically 6 minus 1, which is 5, and 5 minus 1 is 4. So 6x plus 4. All right. Uh-oh, did not mean to press that. All right, let me see if there's another one. 4 and 5. Real quick. So simplifying the following, number 9. Number 9, we're using distributive property. Distributive property is really easy. So all you do is take the number outside of the parenthesis, the number that's by itself, and you do multiply it by the first one, which 3x times 2x is 6x squared. Now if you're ever in doubt, do it the long way. So you do 3 times x times 2 times x. Therefore, that's how you get the x squared, is these two x's. Alright, and then the next thing you do is you move on to the next. Is 3x times 8, which 3 times 8 is 24. And you have the x, so it's plus 24x. And that is all you do. And here we'll do one more. So last one, we have, this is like a really long one. 2x y squared plus 3xy plus 4x plus 3. My handwriting's really bad on this. Alright, so this is all you do. 2x times y squared. Well, there is no number because so 2 times x, well there's no x's, so you can just keep the 2 and the x. But you just add the y squared to it. So now it's 2x y squared. And then you move on to the next number, which is 3xy. So you do 2x times 3xy. So 2 times 3 is 6. Alright, and then you have the x, and the x would make x squared. And then there's just one y, so you just bring the y over. Alright, and then you do the next one. 2x times 4x. So 2 x times 4x. 2 times 4 is 8. And there's 2 x's, so that makes 8 squared. 8x squared. And then you got the last one. 2x times 3 is 2 times 3 is 6. And you have the x, so it's 6x. So when you look, it would be J. Yes, J. All right. So this is like a quick review. You can use your calculator, which some of y'all may not have calculators, but I mean, it's just basic multiplication, so you can do it with a basic one. If not, I wanted to go over one more. One more, I just noticed. All right, so simplifying number 10, x squared minus 49 over x minus 7. So when in doubt, always write it long ways. So x squared just means 2 x's, right? So minus 49 over x minus 7. So first you're looking to see if there's anything that will cancel out top and the bottom, an x. So now we just have one x. We can't cancel it anymore. But can we simplify anything else? Well, we can do negative 49 divided by 7, which would be what? Positive 7. So all we have left is with x plus 7. All right. Anyway, I just wanted to show you all that real quick. But you can use your calculator if you still have it. I think some of y'all do. If not, I mean, it's just basic multiplication. You can use it with one on the computer or whatever. But I will get with y'all about getting y'all's calculators to y'all. Maybe I'll put it like in a Dropbox outside the school or something. I don't know. Message me if you don't have a calculator, which I already did, but some of y'all didn't respond. So you gotta let me know. Anyway, hopefully this helps. If not, let me know. Have a great day.